Wanna get full and energized all day long? Start your day with Sunday Fiber Energy. Hello guys! I'm Fran Tardano, young entrepreneur. And today, I will be reviewing the Sunday Fiber Energy. This Sunday Fiber Energy is a product of Sunday Barley, which is part of Health Beverage Snack Series.
Another one.
Guys, look at the packaging. Packaging pala, napakaganda. Look at this. Very classy. Yan. Very elegant. So guys, nakaka-amaze ang ating packaging. Guys, packaging pa lang guys, mapapabili ka na. Alright? So guys, tignan nyo, naka-indicate sa box niya yung 3 main ingredients ng ating Fiber Energy, which yung ating barley, chia, and oats. Konting table lang sa ating 3 main ingredients. Alam nyo naman guys na ang barley is punong-puno ng minerals, vitamins, enzymes, and amino acid. Okay? So yung ating naman chia is good for bowel movement. And yung ating naman oats is good for maintaining healthy weight. Alright? So guys, ang laman din ng isang box ng ating Fiber Energy is meron siyang 10 sachet. Then, kada sachet niya meron siyang 21 grams. Look at this. Alright, so meron siyang 21 grams. Ang maganda dito guys, meron siyang nutrition packs. Look at this. Nutrition packs. Ayan. So pwede rin guys yung ating Fiber Energy sa mga kababayan nating Muslim, sa mga kapatid nating Muslim. Why? Meron siyang halal certification. Look at this. And meron din siyang expiration date. Alright?
So guys, kung titignan niyo yung itsura ng Fiber Energy natin, pag tinitimpla siya, makikita mo yung mismong chia at oats sa ibabaw. At creamy ng appearance. Super sarap nito at napaka-healthy pa. Guys, this Fiber Energy is good for the individuals na walang time maganda ng almusal at mag-almusal.
At sa mga nagmamadaling pumasok sa trabaho guys, pwede rin po ito. Pwede rin ito sa mga bata, matanda, at kahit kanino. Why? Dahil napaka-healthy ng ating Sunday Fiber Energy. So sa one sachet ng Fiber Energy mo, swak na siya para punan ng energy mo to start the day healthy and stomach friendly pa.
So yun na guys. So kung gusto magkaroon ng healthy stomach everyday, Sunday Fiber Energy is the best product for you.